Hello everybody and welcome back to another Vowed Adventure. I'm sitting here editing the second part of this video. This is the tire replacement. The first half we got it off, put the inner tube in, messed it up. So this time I ended up having to take some extra steps because I busted it. So we're just going to get right into it. I explained it the day of, so I'm just going to roll that clip next and just explain from there. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. Alright everybody, so I'm back from Tractor Supply. I didn't end up buying a whole wheel. I just bought the tire, valve stems, and a spoon. So we're going to see how this goes with replacing the tire.
Try to be a negative bull, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah. Negative bull. We could be taking control. We could be taking control. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control. 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 Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both
not a
know
professional.
how to swim, no worries.
But yes, there are holes in it.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're
do with what you got.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me.
Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find.
Alright guys, got it mounted, had to go to Firestone to do it, just because I didn't have anything that could put enough pressure. So now we're going to get it on and actually get to what I was supposed to be doing today.
Test the waters, ooh, it's hot. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. Take me, baby, take me to a state of mind that's made of, baby, that's made of all that we find. Electric, feel it in your hands. Hypnotic, watch your body stand. Happiness, this is where we stand.
Alright everybody, so got it all back together, was able to mow the yard that day. It took a heck of a lot longer than it really should have, but I'm limited with my tools and space, and I did the best I could. The other tires are fine, they do have cracking, but they hold air. They do leak a little bit, but it's not as quickly as that one was. I hope y'all have enjoyed the video, and y'all have a blessed day.